Take the cabbage out of the freezer. I'll show you how to use it all. Let it thaw and remove the leaves. Now get ready. Cover your eyes so you don't cry while cutting the onion. Just kidding. Uncover them. We've got work to do. Take a medium onion and chop it finely. Tell me, is there a dignified way to cut onions without looking like you're going through a breakup? Let us know below and we'll commiserate together. Grab a carrot, peel it like you peel your emotions after a long day, and grate it with energy and rhythm. If it makes music, keep going. That carrot's got flavor and purpose. Put 500 grams of ground beef in a deep bowl, add the grated carrot, chopped onion, and a sprig of finely chopped cilantro. And remember, fresh cilantro, not the sad jarred stuff. The one that looks like expired Christmas dust? Nope, not that. Now add 2 crushed garlic cloves, a whole egg, salt to taste, a pinch of black pepper, dried oregano, sweet paprika, and if you're brave, some fiery habanero. Mix with a spoon or hands. That's where love, flavor, and tradition come in. Some recipes don't need technique, just heart. Take a cabbage leaf, remove the tough center rib. It just complicates things. Place a generous spoonful of filling right in the center. Now let's roll it up. Fold the sides in, then roll from bottom to top, gently, like wrapping a little gift that'll soon be cooked. In a large pan, pour enough tomato sauce. Add a pinch of salt and oregano to taste. Use fresh, homemade, or that store-bought sauce you've yet to open. Place rolls seam side down, snug together in the pan. Let them cuddle, share warmth, feel like family. Cover and let it simmer for 15-20 minutes on medium-low heat. Meanwhile, grate some cheese, mozzarella, parmesan, or whatever you've got. Just make sure it's one that melts nicely. If grating cheese doesn't relax you, try some soft tunes and an open heart. This dish doesn't just feed, it mends. After 20 minutes, uncover and blanket it all with that grated cheese. Don't hold back, let it melt beautifully. Cover for 1 more minute to let the cheese melt completely. You know what's coming next. Lift the lid, steam rises, cheese bubbles. You're there, spoon ready, like opening a treasure chest. The first scoop is pure bliss. The leaves are tender, the filling firm and juicy. It smells like Sundays with loved ones. So cook it, savor it, and save a bit for me. Trust me, once you taste it, you'll be blown away.